Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that's been taking meal prep to the next level, the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting in the kitchen, this tool is a game changer. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper is not just your average food chopper. It's an onion chopper, vegetable slicer, spiralizer, and more, all in one compact device. It comes with multiple interchangeable blades for chopping, dicing, slicing, and even spiralizing your favorite veggies. Look how effortlessly it dices this onion. No more tears, no more mess. And check out this zucchini, spiralized in seconds for a quick, healthy pasta alternative. Plus, the included container means less mess and more convenience. What I love most is how durable and easy to clean this chopper is. The blades are razor sharp, and the non-slip base keeps it steady during use. And when you're done, toss the parts in the dishwasher. Super simple. Perfect for meal preppers and anyone looking to save time in the kitchen. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper makes every meal prep session a breeze. So, whether you're chopping, slicing, or spiralizing, the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is your new best friend in the kitchen. Grab yours today and make cooking fun and easy again.